Congratulations.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you. I don't know what to say exactly. 22 years. This is my first film.
No.
You have been on the road to
Well
me.
deserved. Well deserved.
You know where I saw her first?
There.
In my uncle's house,
Yeah.
Dr. Rajkumar.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರಿದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೇಡಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Now you know.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಹರ್.